Just a quick catch up, we're going to the concert soon. We're in Glasgow and we're going to see the 1975, just in case you couldn't tell by the title. And I just done my makeup and I'm wearing this leopard print high neck top from Topshop. It's really cute, it's got these like tiny little bell sleeves.